In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change bank details in Zoho Invoice. Whether you're updating your financial information or simply need to make an adjustment, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly. Let's get started and look at what you need to do. First, you'll want to navigate to your Zoho account. This is where all your Zoho applications are conveniently accessible. Simply head over to the Zoho account's webpage by entering the web address or by searching for it in your preferred search engine. Once you're there, you'll see a host of options that handle various aspects of your Zoho account. Your focus should be on accessing the apps. Now, once you're in the Zoho accounts area, look for the apps section. It's usually located on the home page or can be accessed via a menu. Click on it and you'll see an array of applications linked to your account. Among these, find and click on Invoice. Selecting Invoice will direct you to the Zoho Invoice application where you can manage your invoicing tasks. Next, after entering the Zoho Invoice interface, your task is to navigate to the Settings menu. This is generally found in the upper part of the screen, perhaps denoted by a gear icon. Clicking Settings will unlock various customization options, pivotal for managing your invoicing structure according to your specific needs. With Settings now open, our next step is to access the Branding section. This section is crucial as it allows you to tailor the presentations of your invoices, including details that significantly represent your company. Clicking on Branding offers options for standardizing how your documents appear to clients, which includes handling your logo and contact details efficiently. Finally, to focus on the task at hand, within the branding settings, look for the option that allows you to make changes to the bank details associated with your invoices. If you need to remove any pre-existing logos as part of your branding update, simply click Remove Logo when prompted. Doing this ensures that your invoices accurately reflect your business's current identity and financial information. And with that, you've efficiently navigated through the process of updating your bank details in Zoho Invoice, ensuring your invoices are correctly aligned with your financial requirements. Don't forget to review all changes for accuracy, ensuring that your clients receive the best representation of your business. If you found this guide helpful, remember to subscribe for more in-depth walkthroughs on managing your Zoho applications and beyond. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.